बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप सभी? आई होप आप सभी अच्छे होंगे। तो आज का टॉपिक है मेंसुरेशन ऑफ 3D फिगर्स। लर्निंग ऑब्जेक्टिव्स: इंट्रोडक्शन, क्यूबॉइड, क्यूब, एरिया ऑफ क्यूबॉइड एंड क्यूब, वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूबॉइड एंड क्यूब, डायगोनल ऑफ क्यूबॉइड एंड क्यूब, cylinder, volume and surface area of a cylinder. Now, introduction. In the earlier classes, we have studied about the area of plane figures. Now, we shall study about objects like cuboids, cubes, cylinders, etc. These objects have three dimensions: length, breadth and height. These are called solids. In this chapter, we shall study the concept of volume and surface area of solids like cuboid, cube and cylinder. Now, cuboid. A solid bounded by 6 rectangular plane faces is called a cuboid. A matchbox, a tea packet, a book, etc. are all examples of a cuboid. A cuboid has 6 rectangular faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Any face of a cuboid may be called its base. The 4 faces which meet the base are called the lateral faces of the cuboid. In the adjoining figure, 6 faces are ABCD, EFGH, EFBA, HGCD, EHDA and FGCB. 12 edges are AB, CD, EF, GH, AE, DH, BF, CG, AD, EH, FG and BC. And 8 vertices are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Now, cube. A cuboid whose length, breadth and height are all equal is called a cube. Ice cubes, sugar cubes, etc. are all examples of a cube. Each edge of a cube is called its side. Now, area of cuboid and cube. Let us consider a cuboid whose length, breadth and height are L, B and H respectively A. The total surface area of cuboid is given by area of rectangles of ABCD plus EFGH plus EFBA plus HGCD plus EHDA plus FGCB. That is equals to ABCD plus EFGH plus under bracket EFBA plus HGCD plus under bracket EHDA plus FGCB. Opposite faces are equal. That is equals to 2 into under bracket length into breadth plus breadth into height plus length into height. That is equals to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL square unit. तो इसका फॉर्मूला क्या बना? 2 इंटू अंडर ब्रैकेट एल बी प्लस बी एच प्लस एच एल स्क्वायर यूनिट. इन केस ऑफ ए क्यूब, एल इज इक्वल्स टू बी इज इक्वल्स टू एच इज इक्वल्स टू ए. सरफेस एरिया ऑफ अ क्यूब इज इक्वल्स टू 2 इंटू ए प्लस ए इंटू ए प्लस ए इंटू ए. दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 2 इंटू ए स्क्वायर प्लस ए स्क्वायर प्लस ए स्क्वायर. दैट इज 3a स्क्वायर. 3 टू ज़ा 6a स्क्वायर square units. Now B, lateral surface area of the cuboid, that is equals to area of ABFE plus area of HGCD plus area of FGCB plus area of EHDA. That is equals to BH plus LH plus LH square unit. That is equals to 2 into L plus B into H square unit. Lateral surface area of a cuboid is equals to 2 under bracket L plus B into H square units. Similarly, lateral surface area of a cube is equals to 4a square units. Now, volume of cuboid and cube. The magnitude of space occupied by a solid is called its volume. We indicate the volume by the symbol V. Units of volume. The volume of the space occupied by a cube, each of whose edge is 1 centimeter long, is called 1 cubic centimeter. It is written as 1 cubic centimeter or 1 centimeter cube. Other units of volume and their relation are given below. 1 centimeter cube is equals to 1000 mm cube. 1 meter cube is equals to 10 raised to the power 6 centimeter cube. 1 decameter cube is equals to 1000 centimeter cube. 1 meter cube is equals to 1000 dm cube. 1 kilometer cube is equals to 10 raised to the power n meter cube. Now no more. Capacity, that is volume of a vessel, is expressed in liters. 1 centimeter cube is equals to 1 milliliter. 1000 centimeter cube is equals to 1000 milliliter, that is equals to 1 liter. And 1 meter cube is equals to 1000 liters or is equals to 1 kiloliter. The volume V of a cuboid of length L, breadth B and height H is given as V is equals to L into B into H cubic meter units. In case of cube, L is equals to B is equals to H. Volume of a cube is equals to A into A cubic units, that is A cube cubic units. Now diagonal of cuboid and cube. If L, B and H be length, breadth and height of a cuboid, then diagonal is equals to under root L square plus B square plus H square units. In case of a cube, L is equals to B is equals to H is equals to A, says diagonal of the cube is equals to under root A square plus A square plus A square, that is equals to 3A square, that is equals to under root 3A unit. Example करते हैं, example 1. Find the volume and surface area of a cuboid whose length is 8 cm, breadth is 6 cm and height is 5 cm. Solution करते हैं. Here L is equals to 8 cm, B is equals to 6 cm, H is equals to 5 cm. Volume of a cuboid is equals to L into B into H. Value put किया 8 into 6 into 5, that is equals to 240 centimeter cube. Surface area of a cuboid is equals to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Value put किया 2 into 8 into 6 plus 6 into 5 plus 5 into 8. That is equals to 2 into 48 plus 30 plus 40. Add किया 118. 2 into 118, that is equals to 236 centimeter square. Hence, volume of cuboid is equals to 240 centimeter cube. Surface area of cuboid is equals to 236 centimeter square. Now, example 2. Find the length of the longest rod that can be placed in a room 8 meter long, 5 meter broad and 6 meter high. Solution करते हैं. Length of the room L is equals to 8 meter, breadth of the room B is equals to 5 meter, height of the room H is equals to 6 meter. Since the length of longest rod is the diagonal of the room, therefore diagonal of the room is equals to under root L square plus B square plus H square. Value put किया under root 8 square plus 5 square plus 6 square, 64 plus 25 plus 36 plus किया under root 125, that is equals to 5 root 5 centimeter. Now example 3. 3 cubes of metal whose edges are in the ratio 3:4:5 are melted down into a single cube whose diagonal is 12 under root 3 centimeter. Find the edges of the 3 cubes. Solution करते हैं. Let the edges of 3 cubes be 3x, 4x, 5x centimeter. V1 is equals to 3x cube, that is 27x cube centimeter cube. V2 4x cube is equals to 64x cube centimeter cube. V3 is equals to 5x cube is equals to 125x cube centimeter cube. V1 plus V2 plus V3 is equals to 27x cube plus 64x cube plus 125x cube. सबको total किया, that is 216x cube. But V1 plus V2 plus V3 is equals to volume of a new single cube. Now diagonal of new cube is equals to 12 under root 3 centimeter. Diagonal of cube क्या होता है? Under root 3 into edge. Edge into under root 3 is equals to 12 into under root 3. That means edge of new cube कितना आ गया हमारा? 12 centimeter. Volume of new cube is equals to 12 cube, that is equals to 1728 centimeter cube. Thus we have 216x cube, क्योंकि इसी को तो मिला के बना है ये. यहाँ से x की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करेंगे. x cube is equals to 1728 upon 216 दैट इज इक्वल टू 8, और 8 किसका क्यूब है? 2 का, तो x की वैल्यू कितनी आई? 2. Hence the edges of 3 cubes are 3x is equals to 3 into 2 is equals to 6 centimeter, 4x is equals to 4 into 2 is equals to 8 centimeter, 5x is equals to 5 into 2 is equals to 10 centimeter. Now example 4. Find the surface area of the cube whose side is 19 centimeter. Solution करते हैं. Here side A is equals to 19 centimeter, surface area of the cube is equals to 6a square, that is equals to 6 into 19 square is equals to 2166 centimeter square. Now example 5. A rectangular water reservoir contains 48,000 liters of water. The reservoir is 8 meter long and 3 meter wide. Find the height of water in the reservoir. 1 meter cube is equals to 1000 liters. Solution करते हैं इसका. वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर इज इक्वल्स टू 48,000 लीटर्स, दैट इज इक्वल्स टू, इसको डिवाइड किया किससे? 1000 से, दैट इज 48 मीटर क्यूब. लेंथ ऑफ द रिजर्वर इज इक्वल्स टू 8 मीटर, ब्रेथ ऑफ द रिजर्वर इज इक्वल्स टू 3 मीटर, हाइट ऑफ द रिजर्वर क्या होगा? वॉल्यूम अपॉन लेंथ इंटू ब्रेथ, दैट इज 48 अपॉन 8 इंटू 3, सॉल्व किया, दैट इज 2 मीटर. नाउ एग्जाम्पल 6. How many bricks will be required for a wall which is 8 meter long, 6 meter height and 22.5 centimeter thick? If each brick measures 25 centimeter into 11.25 centimeter into 6 centimeter. Solution करते हैं. Length of the wall is equals to 8 into 100, that is 800 centimeter. Breadth of the wall is equals to 22.5 centimeter. Height of the wall is equals to 6 into 100, that is equals to 600 centimeter. क्या किया? यूनिट इक्वल किया. वॉल्यूम ऑफ द वॉल इज इक्वल्स टू L into B into H, that is 800 into 22.5 into 600 centimeter cube. Volume of one brick is equals to length into breadth into height, that is 25 into 11.25 into 6 centimeter cube. हमें क्या निकालना है? नंबर ऑफ ब्रिक्स रिक्वायर्ड. सो वॉल्यूम ऑफ वॉल डिवाइडेड बाय वॉल्यूम ऑफ वन ब्रिक, दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 800 into 22.5 into 600 अपॉन 25 into 11.25 into 6. सॉल्व करेंगे, दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 6400. मीन्स 6400 ब्रिक्स रिक्वायर्ड हैं. नाउ एग्जाम्पल 7. Find the volume, literal surface area and the total surface area of a cube, each of whose side measures 8 centimeter. Solution करते हैं. सीधा सीधा फॉर्मूला लगा देते हैं. Length of each side edge of the cube is equals to A is equals to 8 centimeter. Volume of cube is A cube, cubic units. 8 into 8 into 8 centimeter cube is equals to 512 centimeter cube. Literal surface area of the cube is equals to 4A square, square unit. 4 into 8 square, that is equals to 256 centimeter cube, and total surface area of the cube is equals to 6a square, square unit is equals to 6 into 8 square is equals to 384 centimeter square. Easily बस formula put किया. Now example 8. Find the volume of wood used to make a closed rectangular box of outer dimensions 60 centimeter into 45 centimeter into 32 centimeter, that is cuboid shape. The thickness of wood being 2.5 centimeter all around. Also find the capacity of the box. Solution करते हैं. Outer means external length is equals to 60 centimeter, external breadth is equals to 45 centimeter, external height is equals to 32 centimeter. External volume L into B into H, that is 86400 centimeter cube. Now internal length, thickness को क्या कर देंगे? माइनस 60 minus 2.5 into 2, that is 60 minus 5 is equals to 55 centimeter. Internal breadth is equals to 45 minus 2.5 into 2, that is 45 minus 5 centimeter is equals to 40 centimeter. Internal height is equals to 32 minus 2.5 into 2 centimeter is equals to 32 minus 5 is equals to 27 centimeter. Internal volume जो न्यू हमारी लेंथ ब्रेथ और हाइट आई है, L इंटू बी इंटू एच, 55 इंटू 40 इंटू 27 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब, दैट इज 59400 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. नाउ कैपेसिटी ऑफ द बॉक्स इज इक्वल्स टू इंटरनल वॉल्यूम, जो अंदर की वॉल्यूम है, दैट इज 59,400 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. वॉल्यूम ऑफ वुड यूज टू मेक द बॉक्स, दैट इज इक्वल्स टू external volume minus internal volume, that is equals to 86,400 minus 59,400 centimeter cube, and answer is 27,000 centimeter cube. Now example 9. A field is 80 meter long and 50 meter broad. In one corner of the field, a pit which is 10 meter long, 7.5 meter broad and 8 meter deep has been dug out. The earth taken out of it is evenly spread over the remaining part of the field. Find the rise in the level of the field. Solution करते हैं. Area of the field, that is equals to 80 into 50 meter square, that is 4,000 meter square. क्योंकि किस शेप में है? रेक्टेंगल शेप में. Area of the pit is equals to 10 into 7.5 meter square, that is 75 meter square. Area over which the earth is spread out, that is equals to 4,000 minus 75, that is 3,925 meter square. क्योंकि उतने में तो क्या किया हमने? गड्ढा खोदा. Volume of the earth dug out, वो किस फॉर्म में है? क्यूबॉइड फॉर्म में, that is L into B into H, 10 into 7.5 into 8 meter cube, that is equals to 600 meter cube. Rise in the level is equals to volume of the earth dug out divided by area over which the earth is spread out. अब हमारा जो है ये 600 अपॉन कितना हो गया? 3925 मीटर, ये मीटर में है, लेकिन जब हम डिवाइड करेंगे तो मल्टीप्लाई बाय क्या कर देंगे इसको? 100, दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 15.3 सेंटीमीटर. नाउ अप्लाई योर लर्निंग. Whose diagonal is larger, a cuboid of dimension 12 cm into 11 cm into 10 cm or a cube of edge 10 cm. तो दोनों में diagonal फाइंड आउट करने का फॉर्मूला निकालेंगे और फाइंड आउट करेंगे. इसी तरह से बच्चों एक्सरसाइज आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. Now next is cylinder. We are familiar with the shape of a cylinder. For example, gas cylinder, a coke can, a pipe are some of the examples of a cylinder. Following are the definitions of a cylinder. A cylinder is a solid with a uniform cross section and a curved lateral surface. We can also say that a cylinder is formed when any rectangular surface is revolved around any one of its side. Each cylinder has, first is a base. The circular cross section of the cylinder is considered as its base. Second, a radius. The radius of the base is considered as the radius of the cylinder. OA and OB are the radii of the cylinder in given figure. Third, an axis of a cylinder. It is the line joining the center of two bases. O dash O is the axis of the cylinder in given figure. Now, a right circular cylinder. A cylinder is said to be right circular if the axis of the cylinder is perpendicular to the two bases. Now, no more. We will consider a cylinder to be right circular in this chapter. Now, next is volume and surface area of a cylinder. In the adjoining figure, this one, the cylinder is of radius r and height h. Volume of the cylinder is equals to area of the base into height. As the base of the cylinder is a circle of radius r, area of the base is equals to pi r square. Volume of the cylinder is equals to pi r square into h. So, volume of cylinder is equals to pi r square h. Curved surface area of a cylinder is equals to 2 pi r h. Total surface area of the cylinder is equals to 2 pi r into h plus r. Example करते हैं. Example 1. The curved surface area of a cylindrical pillar is 264 meter square and its volume is 924 meter cube. Find the height of the pillar. Solution करते हैं. curved surface area of the cylinder is equals to 2 pi RH, that is given 264, that is equals to 2 pi RH, and volume of the cylinder is equals to pi r square h, which is given as 924, that is equals to pi r square h. Dividing equation 2 by 1, we get pi r square h upon 2 pi r h is equals to 924 upon 264, that is equals to, यहाँ से जब हम कैंसिल करेंगे h से h कैंसिल, एक r से एक r कैंसिल और पाई से पाई कैंसिल, तो हमारा आ गया r अपॉन 2 इज इक्वल्स टू 924 अपॉन 264. r की वैल्यू निकालेंगे 924 इंटू 2 अपॉन 264, सॉल्व करेंगे दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 7 मीटर. r कितना आ गया 7 मीटर. नाउ 2 इंटू 22 बाई 7 इंटू 7 इंटू h, 2 पाई आर एच इज इक्वल्स टू 264. h की वैल्यू निकालेंगे 264 इंटू 7 अपॉन 2 इंटू 22 इंटू 7, 7 से 7 कैंसिल, सॉल्व किया दैट इज 6 मीटर. हैंस द हाइट ऑफ द पिलर इज 6 मीटर. नाउ एग्जाम्पल 2. The circumference of the base of a cylinder is 25.45 centimeter and its height is 15 centimeter. Find the curved surface area and the volume of the cylinder. Solution करते हैं इसका. Circumference of the base, base किसका है सर्कल में, that is equals to 25.45 centimeter. 2 pi r, circumference क्या होता है सर्कल का, 2 pi r, that is equals to 25.45. 2 इंटू 22 बाई 7 इंटू आर इज इक्वल्स टू 25.45. आर की वैल्यू निकालेंगे, अपोजिट साइड गया 25.45 इंटू 7 अपॉन 44, सॉल्व किया दैट इज 4.05 मीटर. रेडियस आ गई. नाउ फर्स्ट कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया इज इक्वल्स टू 2 पाई आर एच, दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 2 इंटू 22 बाई 7 इंटू 4.05 इंटू 15, सॉल्व किया दैट इज 381.85 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. Volume of the cylinder is pi r square h, 22 by 7 into 4.05 square into 15, solve किया that is 773.26 centimeter cube approximately. Now example 3. The diameter of a road roller 1 meter 40 centimeter long is 80 centimeter. If it takes 600 revolutions to level a ground, find the cost of leveling the ground at 75 paisa पर स्क्वायर यूनिट. सॉल्यूशन करते हैं इसका. रेडियस ऑफ द रोड रोलर, डायमीटर गिवन है, हाफ कर देंगे 1 अपॉन 2 इंटू 80 अपॉन 100, दैट इज 2/5 मीटर. लेंथ ऑफ द रोड रोलर इज इक्वल्स टू 1.40 मीटर. एरिया कवर्ड इन 1 रेवोल्यूशन, रेवोल्यूशन मीन्स कंप्लीट, 2 पाई आर एच, दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 2 इंटू 22 बाई 7 इंटू 2/5 इंटू 1.40, दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 3.52 मीटर स्क्वायर. एरिया कवर्ड इन 600 रेवोल्यूशंस, मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे 600 से, 3.52 इंटू 600 मीटर स्क्वायर, दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 2112 मीटर स्क्वायर. कॉस्ट ऑफ लेवलिंग द ग्राउंड एट 75 पैसा पर स्क्वायर मीटर इज इक्वल्स टू 2112 इंटू 75 by 100, that is equals to rupees 1584. Now example 4. An iron pipe is 42 centimeter long and its external radius is 4 centimeter. If the thickness of the pipe is 1 centimeter and iron weighs 100 gram per centimeter cube, find the weight of the pipe. Solution करते हैं इसका. External radius of the pipe is 4 centimeter. Internal radius of the pipe is कितना thickness है 1 centimeter, तो 4 minus 1 centimeter is equals to 3 centimeter. External volume is equals to 22 upon 7 into 4 into 4 into 42, that is 2112 centimeter cube. Internal volume same formula, 22 upon 7 into 3 into 3 into 42, that is 1188 centimeter cube. Volume of the metal, external volume minus internal, that is 2112 minus 1188 centimeter cube is equals to 924 centimeter cube. Weight of the pipe is equals to 924 into 100 gram is equals to 92.4 kilogram. Now example 5. The circumference of the base of a cylinder is 176 centimeter and its height is 30 centimeter. Find the volume of the cylinder and its lateral surface area. Solution करते हैं. बेस हमारा सर्कल का होता है, सर्कमफ्रेंस इज इक्वल्स टू 2 पाई आर, दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 176 इज इक्वल्स टू 2 इंटू 22/7 इंटू आर। यहाँ से आर की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करेंगे। R is equals to 176 into 7/2 into 22, that is equals to 28 centimeter. Now R is equals to 28 centimeter, H is equals to 30 centimeter, volume का formula है pi r square, H that is 22/7 into 28 into 28 into 30, that is equals to 73920 centimeter cube. In the same way, lateral surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi r h, value put किया, that is 2 into 22/7 into 28 into 30, that is 5280 centimeter square. Now example 6. A circular pit whose diameter is 7 meter and depth 4 meter is dug in the ground and the soil is spread over a plot which is 38.5 meter long and 12 meter wide. Find the height of the soil above. Solution करते हैं इसका। वॉल्यूम निकालेंगे, वॉल्यूम ऑफ द सॉइल डग आउट दैट इज इक्वल्स टू पाई आर स्क्वायर एच, दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 22/7 इंटू 7/2 इंटू 7/2 इंटू 4 मीटर क्यूब, दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 154 मीटर क्यूब। एरिया ऑफ द प्लॉट इज एल इंटू बी, दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 38.5 मीटर इंटू 12 मीटर इज इक्वल्स टू 462 मीटर स्क्वायर। हाइट ऑफ द सॉइल इज इक्वल्स टू वॉल्यूम ऑफ द सॉइल डिवाइडेड बाय एरिया ऑफ द प्लॉट, दैट इज 154/462, that is equals to 0.33 मीटर, सेंटीमीटर में कन्वर्ट किया, मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100, that is 33 centimeter. Now example 7. A cylindrical metallic ball has a radius 28 centimeter and height 7 centimeter. Find its volume. If 1 meter cube of metal weighs 350 kilogram, find its weight. Solution करते हैं। Volume of the ball is pi r square h. वैल्यू पुट किया 22/7 इंटू 28/100 इंटू 28/100 इंटू 7 मीटर क्यूब, दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 1.7248 मीटर क्यूब। वेट ऑफ द पोल इज इक्वल्स टू 1.7248 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 350 किलोग्राम, दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 603.68 किलोग्राम। नाउ अप्लाई योर लर्निंग। A rectangular aluminum foil is 44 centimeter long and 30 centimeter wide. A cylinder is made by rolling it. Find its volume. तो उसको हम क्या करेंगे, रोल करके सिलेंडर बनाएंगे और उसकी वॉल्यूम का फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे। इसी तरह से बच्चों एक्सरसाइज आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे। आई होप आपको चैप्टर समझ आया, इसका रिवीजन आप खुद कीजिए।